Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If a man can do a work in 45 days and woman can do the same work in 15 days, in how many days 3 men and 4 women can do the same work? We have to find out. So it is given that a man can do a work in 45 days. So from here we can find out that what is the work done by the man in one day. So in one day a man can do 1/45th part of the work because he can do the work in 45 days. Now what is given is a woman can do the same work in how many days? It is given 15 days. So from here also we can find out one day work of a woman. So in one day a woman can do 1/15th part of a work. Now since we know that more men, there will be more work done, or more women, then more work will be done. So from here we can find out that in one day if there will be 3 men, then they'll do what part of work? 3/45 part of the work, because one man can do in one day 1/45th part of the work. Similarly we can find out that in one day if there will be 4 women, then they can do what part of work? That is 4/15th part of the work, because for one woman she can do in one day 1/15th part of the work. Now if we combine these two together, then we can say that in one day the 3 men and 4 women can do what part of work? Let's add it. So 3/45 plus 4/15 part of the work, which is equal to, if we simplify, this will be equal to 5/15th part of work, which is equal to 1/3 part of the work. So in one day 3 men and 4 women can do 1/3 part of the work. So clearly we can say that the complete work will be completed by 3 men and 4 women in 3 days if we take the reciprocal. So from here we can find out that a work is completed by 3 men and 4 women in how many days? 3 days. So this is our required answer.